Chicken prices for one major supplier are going up by about 10% this month. Jamaica Broilers Group says despite its best efforts to absorb some of the costs, they have no choice but to increase the price passed on to consumers. Chicken is the staple protein for Jamaican households. In fact, it's often more cost-effective to purchase than other meats. However, it's becoming more and more expensive to buy chicken as the cost keeps going up.
From last year, there's been a consistent raise. Like every 2 months, them raise the chicken.
The price of chicken per pound ranges from $180 to $290. Jamaica broilers, along with Caribbean broilers and imported chicken meat, account for more than half of the market share locally. 40% of chicken is supplied by small farmers. Since 2019, Jamaica broilers increased prices by about 27% up to July 2021. The company bumped up prices more than 4 times in the last year. And for this month, January 2022, Jamaica broilers is adding about 10% to the cost of poultry.
As this year again come in, they raise the chicken. Them, me no feel say that's right, I me no feel like say me I go and eat no more chicken right now, Feel like me I go and run down to Dranko. That no right.
Vice President of Jamaica Broilers Group Dave Fairman says various factors have left them no choice but to increase prices. The upward movement in the cost of oil, which is the major input in energy, has been a big one for the group.
Since last year, January to December, our energy cost has gone up somewhere in the region of about 61%. So all of these combined roll up into higher costs for us. Our margins are down because, like any good corporate citizen, we have been trying to manage what we do to pass on to consumers because we live here and we understand the dynamics that are playing out in the society. So we have been absorbing quite a bit of those increases.
Shipping costs for imports has also forced the rise in chicken prices for the company.
Corn has moved somewhere in the region of about 106%. From its lowest point in 2020 to close in 2021. Soya bean, which is another key ingredient, has gone up about 61% from a low in 2020 to 2021. So if you were to look at our 2020 price movements, it averaged about 7% in 2020. So really keeping track with where inflation was at the time. In 2021, our point to point from January back to December is about 28%.
Mr. Fairman says while they hope things will stabilize this year, it's hard to say based on current projections. The knock-on effect of the price increases has already been taking hold, with cook shops and fast food chains adding their markups to various products. News consumers don't want to hear.
People don't have the money for every minute. They then come this week or next week, them come with price change again. That's ridiculous.
From consumer news, the currency market, the US dollar is being sold for an average $156.68. $125.06 is the going rate for the Canadian dollar, $213.54 for the pound, while the euro is costing an average $180.52. Now to stocks, the JSE index advanced by 1,251 points today, while the junior market index gained 67 points. Among today's winners were Jamaica Public Service Company 9.5% shares, Blue Power Group, Radio Jamaica, Main Event Entertainment Group, and GWest Corporation ordinary shares, while on the losing side were JMB Group 7% variable Jamaican dollar cumulative redeemable preference shares, 138 Student Living Jamaica, Cygnus Real Estate Finance Company US dollar shares, AMG Packaging and Paper Company, and JMB Group 7.25% shares. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Javon Key. Stay with us. Regional and international news are after the break.